Hi friends, this is Bharat. Today we are going to talk about Builder design pattern. Builder is a creational design pattern used in case you want to separate the construction of a complex object from its representation. There could be multiple motivation to implement this pattern. For example, you may want the same construction process to be reused to create different representations and step by step build it till final object is returned. In other words, you make it simple for the client to call a generic method which returns a complex object requested. It is similar to the push button in your laptop computer. You just have to switch it on and automatically the system boots, turns on mouse, keyboard and screen. Besides, you can start it in normal or safe mode. Now let's implement a sample code to understand it further. Let's jump right in. Let's look at a simple SMS implementation. Usually there are many aspects to send an SMS, including the protocol, the telecommunication devices, and so forth. But for the purpose of this demo, we are going to keep it simple. We are going to get the recipient, that is the to information, and the message to send. And we have a very simple send function which is going to broadcast or send this information to the appropriate recipient. Since this is a complex object, let's create a builder. SMS builder is inside the SMS class itself. It's going to have a couple of variables. Recipient and the message. And let's add these two information. I'll call this as add recipient. String name and say this dot recipient is equal to name, and I will return this. And let me add one more function, add message. Okay, and this dot message is equal to message, and I'll return this. Okay, and when the client is going to call the build function, the SMS object will be returned. Message. Okay, now let's look at the client code. Var SMS is equal to new SMS dot, I will call the SMS builder, and I will start to invoke some of its functions. I'll call add recipient and Let me add some number. Okay. And add message. Let me say hello. And then call the build function. Now I can call sms.send. So remember, send itself can implement a builder. Now let's execute the code. You'll be able to see the message sent to the appropriate recipient. If you are attending interview or a student, please check out source code from link given in video description below and implement the questionnaire along with test cases. Share your code in the comment section so everyone can benefit from it. I shall also try to answer any of your queries. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.